Hello students, as I have promised you earlier, I am making a video on survey map. First of all, let us discuss the distribution of marks in geography. It's out of 80 marks. Survey map, there will be 20 marks question. Out of this, 6-figure grid square reference is being eliminated. You don't have to study 6-figure grid square reference. Rest all the topic you need to study. Then map of India also, some of the topics are being eliminated. Please go through the reduced syllabus. Then theory part, you will be getting from all the chapters 50 marks question. You see children, none of the chapter is being eliminated, but topics from each chapter, some of the topics from each chapters are being omitted. For that also you need to go through the reduced syllabus. Now without wasting time, let us start with survey map. Children, first of all, let us discuss the 4-figure grid square reference of the settlement Indirala. You can see the settlement Indirala here. This is the settlement Indirala. Here it is located in which square, which grid square? 4-figure. Okay, let's see that. Here you see this is the Eastings. So Eastings is here 08 and this is the Northings. Okay, Northing here it is which one? 25. So grid square reference of 4-figure grid square reference of Indirala is 0825. So you understood that how to find the 4-figure grid square reference. And let us move to the next one. Next, first question, let's see. Identify the main source of irrigation shown by the map extract. So which is the main source of irrigation? You can see number of blue dots in this. Okay, these blue dots are the perennial wells. These are the wells. You can see here blue dots. Here, in many places you can see the blue dots. Okay, so these are the perennial wells. So these are the main source of irrigation in which people obtain water for their cultivable land. Where is the cultivable land? You can see the yellow patches here. So these all yellow patches in many places. You can see yellow color. These yellow color are indicating the presence of cultivable land. So in this cultivable land, mainly the water is being drawn from these perennial wells which are showing in blue color. Clear? Okay. Next, we have to go through the next question. What is shown by the brown line on the map? Okay, let's see where is the brown lines. You can see some red line here. Black lines are there. Other than that, where are the brown lines? Here you see these are the brown lines. See here brown line, some brown, these are all brown line. Okay, so in some maps, you will find brown line, and these brown line makes a particular square, like this brown line. Yes, it makes a particular figure like this. Okay, some places it can show like this and all. You will see the brown line. So these brown lines are always contour lines. These are the contour lines. Now what is a contour line? Contour lines are the imaginary line which joins the places having equal height. Okay, sometimes question can be asked, what is contour line? So what is contour line? Contour lines are the imaginary line which joins the places having equal height are called contour line. Okay, you understood the question and answer. So once again see the question. What is shown by brown line on the map? The brown line shown on the map, shown by the map is that contour line. Contour lines are the imaginary line which shows the which joins the places having equal height. Which mode of transport links Indirala to Danu and Dhangri? Let's see Indirala. Yeah, Indirala settlement is here, very clear. And then Dhanu and Dhangri. Let's see which are these settlements. This is Indirala and here is Danu and Dangri. Yes, you see. Now, which mode of transport? You know mode of transport, children? Some maps you will find a thin red line. That thin red line is called cart track. And some maps you will find a bold red line, like this, a bold, very bold red line. Then you can call it as metalled road. Then it is a metalled road. Then some maps you will find a broken red line, like this. That broken red line is called back track. And some maps you will find dotted lines. That mode of transport is called footpath. Okay, these are the important modes of transport. Okay, now in this map mainly you will find the cart tracks, because these are the thin thin red line. So the settlements which connect Indrala to Danu and Indrala to Dangri, all these are the cart tracks. You can see here cart tracks. You see this is Indrala connecting to Danu. Then from Indrala connecting to Dangri is a cart track. Clear? Then moving on to the next question. Let's see. Which mode of, yes, that is over. This D. Name the feature represented by white patches on the map. Yes, let's see white patches here. You see number of places you are finding the white patches. What are these white patches? Whenever you find white patches, you understand these are the uncultivable land. Okay, yellow patches are cultivable land and white patches are uncultivable land. Clear? And moving on to the next question. Let's see. Question number E. List various types of trees shown on the map extract. You see there are, you can see these are all green color. Can you see these various type of trees? Okay, these are the actually palm trees. Okay, the main type of trees which are found. So whenever you find this kind of tree, you understand this is a palm tree. Okay, then suppose the similar kind of tree is found in brown color. Okay, I'll show you how it is. If it is found in somewhat like suppose like this a feature. Okay, in this way if you find, then you understand that is a surveyed tree. That is a surveyed tree. Surveyed trees are considered like a landmarks. Actually those kind of trees, you know, are recorded in their government's document. Okay, they are mainly used as landmarks. So such kind of trees are all called surveyed tree. That is the difference between surveyed tree and other trees. So here the type of trees which are found in this map extract are palm trees. Clear? PALM, palm trees. And let us move to the next question. What is the meaning of sheet rock north of Dangri? Yes, north of Dangri you can see here sheet rock. What do you mean by this sheet rock? What is that? Sheet rock, there especially it is shown white patch. It is an uncultivable land. So the sheet rocks, you know, actually they are the hard rocks which are exposed to the surface. Okay, sheet rocks are the hard rocks exposed to the surface. Clear? Okay, so that is what sheet rocks. And Going to the next one. Let us answer these set of questions. Let's see the first question. Name the geographical feature given in grid square 8498. How is it formed? Yes, where is 8498? You can see the grid square 84. Here is 84. And where is 98? Here. Then which is the geographical feature? This is the square. Okay. In this square, which geographical feature is found? You can see the black curved line here. Okay. This black curved line indicates the broken ground. Whenever you find this kind of figure, you understand that is broken ground. How is this broken ground formed? The broken ground formed due to flood. Okay. Due to flood like condition, there forms broken ground. Okay. Why? Because during the flood, water is overflowing. Then what happens during this drought season, summer season, this region in which flooded by the river water becomes barren and dry up, and so that what happened, the land, there appears crack on the land. This is how broken ground is formed. And the next question is that identify the settlement pattern in village Pantavada. So let's see the settlement pattern, Pantavada. Okay, you see Pantavada, what type of settlement is found? You can see we have discussed in the class the type of settlement. Here you see this is a nucleated. This is a nucleated settlement. Okay, then you see Rampura, which type of settlement? You can see this squares, these are found in a line, a particular line. Okay, here you see this is found in a line, here also line, like that. Okay, so we can call it as linear. The settlement which are found in a line are called linear. The settlement which are found in a cluster, in a group, it is called nucleated. Okay, then one more type of settlement is there, that is dispersed. Suppose imagine that you find a permanent hut here, then you will find here, then you will find here, like this. Like this, if you find, we can call it as scattered. We call it as scattered settlement. Clear? Okay. So there are mainly three type of settlements. First one is that nucleated, then scattered, then linear. So you understood the difference of all these three settlement pattern. Moving on to the next question. What is the main occupation of the people in this map extract? You see, what is the main occupation? You see that most of the region is covered by yellow patches. Okay, if it is covered by yellow patches, then you understand the people are mainly involved in agriculture. So the main occupation of this region is that what? Agriculture. Why? What is the reason? Because of the presence of yellow patches, which shows cultivable land. Okay, then you see, okay, later on we will discuss all other occupation. See that some of the maps, let's see here. These maps are not so clear. Anyway, children, I'll show you the colors. You see here occupation. Here given the occupation. See that forestry. If it is a forest region, like if you find the green color, okay, green color is finding anywhere and it is written open mixed jungle, like that, then the main occupation of that region is forestry. Then agriculture is found in yellow shade. Then cattle rearing or sheep rearing. Suppose if you find any place like open scrub, you can find open scrub in this map also, in which we were discussing. Here you see open scrub. You can see the open scrub in this. Open scrub. You see, so open scrub here main occupation is that cattle rearing or sheep rearing. These are given in your textbook. You need to study all those occupation by heart. Okay. Again moving on to the same thing, occupation. Let's see here quarrying and mining, mainly mines and quarrying, like limestone beds, stony waste, even what is that, sheet rock, like okay, sheet rock, stony waste, all these region, you know, mainly rocks are exposed to the surface, so their occupation will be mainly quarrying and mining. Anywhere you find stony waste, sheet rock, then limestone beds, mines and quarries, anything you find like that, then you can write the occupation like quarrying and mining. Then settlements near main road, rivers and port. Then suppose if you find a road, metal road, then you can write their occupation as trade. You know what is metal road. Then factories and mines, if you find, that is industries. Then coastal region, fisheries, and hotels and tourism, and so these things are not shown. Last three things are not so important, you don't find those things in survey map. So rest all, suppose if you find in a particular place there is a temple is found, then you can write the important occupation as priesthood. Okay. Then if you find it post office and telegraph office, okay, PTO is given, otherwise PO is given, otherwise police chowki is given, then you can write working in post office, or otherwise working in postal and telegraph office, otherwise working in police chowki, otherwise temple, then priesthood. So accordingly, and identifying the features, you need to write the occupation of a place. Okay. Then moving to the next question, list 3 man-made features in grid square 8199. Where is 8199? Let's see. This is 81 and this is 9. So in 8199, what is the question asked? List 3 man-made features. Okay, let's see 3 man-made features in this. So, which is the grid square? 8199 is this particular grid square. This is the grid square we need to see. Okay. So man-made feature, you can say here settlement is there. 7 settlement you can find, nucleated settlement. Okay. That is 1. Then PO is shown. Post office you can write PO. And then you will find PS also is there. If you observe clearly, PS also you can find. So these are the 3 man-made features. Then which are the natural features you can find? You can write cultivable land is there. You can see yellow patches there. Then white patches you can write open scrub. Then palm trees are found in this. Okay. So these are all. So sometimes you may be asked to mark which are the man-made features and natural features in this. Okay. Then man-made features, cart tracks also there. If you look at, you can also find the cart tracks. Understood? See here, this map you see. Let's see, focus on one particular grid square. See here, okay, not this one. Okay, see here. Let's see this particular grid square. Okay, in this, which are the natural features? You can find the drainage pattern. Otherwise, you can say dry stream. All these black lines, no? This black lines you can indicate as dry stream. Okay, So they can write dry stream, natural feature. Then palm trees are also there. Palm trees you can write. Then you can write cultivable land. Okay. Can you find any man-made feature here? No, nothing. I don't find any. Yeah, some boundaries are there. I think some dotted line, black dotted line. These are boundaries. So these boundaries you can write as man-made feature. Clear? Okay. So you understood what are man-made features and natural features. Here you see like perennial wells are there, like man-made feature. Then palm trees are there, natural feature. So accordingly you need to identify the natural and man-made features. Now let us measure the distance in kilometer between settlement Malwa and Bhamara. Okay, let us see that distance between Malwa and Bhamara. This is Malwa and here it is Bhamara. Okay, so let's draw a line between Bhamara and Malwa. Now with the help of a scale you measure this line. Okay, with the help of a scale you measure this line. Okay, keep one point here, then another point here, then you will get the measures in centimeter. Okay, suppose you are getting it as 3 centimeter. This is 3 centimeter. Here you see 2 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. Understand the calculation, like 2 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. That means this 2 centimeter is the map distance and 1 kilometer is the ground distance. So with the help of survey map you are able to find the ground distance. Okay, suppose you see this particular square. This particular square, when you measure you will get 2 centimeter. Like that, all the square, any square you measure, it is 2 centimeter. So this 2 centimeter means equal to 1 kilometer. So this particular square is of 1 kilometer. This is of 1 kilometer. This is of 1 kilometer, like that, 1 kilometer. Okay. So here the distance between this Bhamara and Malwa, you got the answer as 3 centimeter. Then how to convert it into kilometer? 3 divided by 2. You will get 1.5 kilometer. 1.5 kilometer. Is that clear? One more example I will tell you. Suppose you are measuring a distance between Malwa and open scrub here. So you need to draw a line from here to here. Suppose for example when you are measuring, you are getting it as 4.5 centimeter. For example, imagine 4.5 centimeter. Then how to find it into kilometer? Then 4.5 divided by 2. Then you will get the answer in kilometer. So whichever the measurement you are getting in centimeter, for example, suppose you are measuring from here to here, you will be getting 4 centimeter. Then how to convert it into kilometer? 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2 kilometer. Is that clear? So this is how you need to find the distance. Now what is the total area of this map extract? Now you know that 1 square is equal to 1 kilometer. So that not this one. Let's see another one with perfect square. Then we can easily measure. Okay, I'll tell you now. So find the area of this map extract. Okay, how to find the area? Find the area of northings. This is the northings. Okay, here this is northings and this is also northings. Find the area between northings 26 and 23. So here this is the 23 northing, this is the 26 northing. Then let's see, and eastings 0, 7 and 10. Easting 0, 7 and 10. Easting 0, 7 and 10. Okay, so let's see how many squares are coming here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what is the area here? 9 kilometer. How? Because one square represents 1 kilometer. So that altogether when you are getting 9 squares, then you can consider the area as 9 kilometer. This is how you need to find the area of a place. So you understood that how to measure the distance of a place and how to measure the area of a place in a survey map. Clear? Okay. Next question, let's see. What is the direction of sport height 290 from Jolpur? Sport height 290 from Jolpur. Where is the sport height 290? Yes, you can see here. This is 290. And where is the Jolpur here? This is the Jolpur. What is the direction now? (290) and Jolpur. What is the direction now? Easily you can make out. Now you see, if you are finding difficulty like this, make a line. On the survey map, you please don't make a line. Just you can imagine. Okay. So like this, if you find from Jolpur, the question is that from Jolpur, then from Jolpur, imagine that you are standing here in Jolpur, then see the direction, it is northwest. The direction is northwest. Now suppose question is asked, what is the direction from the spot height 290 to Jolpur? Then in that case, you will have to imagine that you are standing here. You are standing here, then here, then from the spot height 290 to Jolpur, how it will be? It will be southeast. So you all know the direction very well, isn't it? How to calculate the direction? This is north, south, east and west. So intermediate directions are there, that also you have learned. Northeast, northwest is there, then southwest, and this is northwest. This is the direction. So you need to by heart this direction to identify the direction from the survey map. Now let's see one more direction here. What is the direction of Bhamra from Malwa? Let's see, Bhamra from Malwa. Yes, this is Bhamra and from Malwa means you have to see the direction from Malwa. You are standing here. So what is the direction? When you make a line, you are getting a straight line, that is north. The direction is north. Okay. Now from Malwa to spot height 310. So almost east it is. Okay. Malwa to spot height 310. Somewhat it is southeast, you can say. Otherwise east also you can write. So I hope that the direction is very clear to you. Now here also we will see the direction. Once again you can see the direction. Yes. What is the direction of Pantuvada from Rampura? Pantuvada from, now you see, like this line comes. So Rampura, suppose you are standing, then what is the direction? It is northwest. Okay. Now from Pantuvada to spot height 208, what is the direction? From Pantuvada to 208, it is southeast, because the line comes like this, southeast. It is southeast. Is it clear? Okay, this is how we need to find the direction of a place.